Hello everybody and welcome back to another lesson from this channel, and today we're gonna talk about jobs and occupations in Brazilian Portuguese. So let's get started with 10 of them, and then later on in a different video I will bring more. So pay attention to the pronunciation and the sentence examples and repeat after me always, because that's good for you. So let's get started. Well, our first one is professor. That means teacher. Example, ele é professor. That means he is a teacher. Repeat, ele é professor. Now, very important for you to know here, we say he is teacher. We don't say he is a teacher. We can't say ele é professor, because it's the equivalent of professor, a teacher. We could say that, but when you say that a teacher, it's just random. We say his teacher. That's how we say in Portuguese. So, once again, ele é professor. Ela é médica. Now, here's a very important profession, doctor. So, she is a doctor. Repeat, ela é médica. Nice. Important to know, médica, women. Médico, men. Right? So, if we were to talk about a man, we would say ele é médico. Good. Next one. Meu pai é engenheiro. Now, engineer, engenheiro. Meu pai é engenheiro means my father is an engineer. Repeat. Meu pai é engenheiro. Minha mãe é advogada. That means my mother is a lawyer. So, lawyer, advogada. For a woman, for a man, advogado. We also have to point here that most of the times when you talk in general about a lawyer, for example, I need a lawyer, you usually say, eu preciso de advogado. You don't say advogada. But when you have a lawyer already and it's a woman, then you can say, eu tenho uma advogada. All right? So, next, meu amigo é policial. That means my friend is a police officer. Policial, police officer. Repeat, meu amigo é policial. Now here, it's cool to know that policial is a name that goes for a woman or a guy. So, meu amigo é policial. I could say minha amiga, saying like my friend girl, right? Who is a girl, é policial. The word policial wouldn't change. Next one, meu vizinho é taxista. That means my neighbor is a taxi driver. So a taxi driver is a taxista. Meu tio é cozinheiro. That means my uncle is a cook, right? So repeat, meu tio é cozinheiro. Minha tia é cabeleireira. Now here, we are saying my aunt is a hairdresser. Now, everything here is related to a woman. So, minha tia é cabeleireira. Next one. Meu primo é bombeiro. That means my cousin is a firefighter. Meu primo é bombeiro. Next. Você é estudante? Are you a student? Então, você é estudante? Good. Now let's take a look at a few examples, including these professions, so you can practice more. Ele é professor e ensina matemática e ciências. He is a teacher and teaches math and science. Ele é professor e ensina matemática e ciências. Always make sure you repeat after I say the sentences. Ela é médica e trata pacientes no hospital. She is a doctor and treats patients at the hospital. Repeat. Ela é médica e trata pacientes no hospital. Meu pai é engenheiro e projeta prédios e pontes. My father is an engineer and designs buildings and bridges. Repeating. Meu pai é engenheiro e projeta prédios e pontes. Minha mãe é advogada e defende clientes no tribunal. My mother is a lawyer and defends clients in court. Again, minha mãe é advogada e defende clientes no tribunal. Meu amigo é policial e protege a segurança da comunidade. My friend is a police officer and protects the community's safety. Repeating. Meu amigo é policial e protege a segurança da comunidade. Meu vizinho é taxista e dirige pessoas pela cidade. My neighbor is a taxi driver and drives people around the city. Meu vizinho é taxista e dirige pessoas pela cidade. Meu tio é cozinheiro e prepara refeições no restaurante. My uncle is a cook and prepares meals at the restaurant. Meu tio é cozinheiro e prepara refeições no restaurante. Next one. Minha tia é cabeleireira e corta e pinta o cabelo dos clientes. My aunt is a hairdresser and cuts and colors clients' hair. Minha tia é cabeleireira e corta e pinta o cabelo dos clientes. Next one. Meu primo é bombeiro e apaga incêndios e resgata pessoas. My cousin is a firefighter and extinguishes fires or put out fires and rescues people. Repeating. Meu primo é bombeiro e apaga incêndios e resgata pessoas. Você é estudante e estuda para se formar? Are you a student and studying to graduate? Você é estudante e estuda para se formar? All right, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Make sure you go back and listen and repeat to these sentence examples because practice is gonna make your Portuguese become better. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more lessons. Of course, hit the like button down below and leave your comments so I know if you like or dislike the content on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.